students. So this is the second part of the video, binomial distribution. So in that just theory part I will explain you. Now we'll be solving the problem. So last semester probability what I have learned, same that only will be, but the formula which will be given is little bit different and little bit complicated, we can say. It is not difficult but complicated. So just see the video properly and then go through that. So first I'll just read the question. So unbiased coin is tossed 6 times. Okay, unbiased coin is tossed 6 times. That is, one coin is tossed 6 times. Find the probability that the tosses result in. Okay, so we have to find the probability of when the tosses result in. First one, heads only. Okay, so we have to first calculate heads only. When all the 6 times only head has come. Say for example, I write 6 times we have tossed a coin. So 6 times. Okay, so always 6 times it is heads only. This is the meaning of first one. Okay, so first I will write the formula. Binomial distribution, probability of x is equal to n CR into P raised to x into Q raised to n minus x. This is the formula of binomial distribution. With the help of this formula, we have to solve all these 3 terms. So first one, NCR. So what is this NCR now? 6 times. So 6 is nothing but your n value. 6 CR. Okay. So what we are going to find? Heads only. So heads only. That is, in bracket you will just write x is equal to 6. 6 times you are going to get head. So even R value is 6. Okay. Event 6 times we have conducted. So that is n value. And this is x value. So x value is nothing but when we are doing the events, how many times we have got head? We have got 6 times. So 6 into P is nothing but probability. So tossing of a coin, always it is 1 divided by 2. So probability 1 divided by 2, in points it is nothing but 0.5 raised to x. X is 6 into Q. So Q is nothing but 1 minus P. So 1 minus P, what is the value of probability? 1 divided by 2. So 1 minus half, will get half. In points it is nothing but 0.5. Okay, so here again Q value is 0.5. Close the bracket, raised to n minus 6. So n is 6 minus 6. Okay, now I have just substituted the value. I will just go through. N is 6 times events. X is 6, heads only 6 times. So both will be 6. Probability is 1 divided by 2. 1 divided by 2 I have written in points 0.5 raised to x 6. Then Q raised to n minus x it is. So raised to n minus x. N value is also 6 and R value or x value is also 6. Okay. So now first we have to solve this. So this is having one formula. That is nothing but combination. 6C6. C is nothing but combination. So n pollen, n minus x pollen in bracket and again x pollen. So this formula we have to solve. So n is how much? 6. So 6 up to 1. 6 into 5. Last class we have solved this. 3 into 2 into 1 divided by, in bracket again 6 minus 6. That is, x value is also 6 and n value is also 6. And again x out of the bracket, again x is there. So x into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay. So this 1 up to 6 will get cancelled. This 1 up to 6 will get cancelled. And 6 minus 6 is again 0. So your value is only 1. Don't write 0. 6 is 1. So always when these two numbers are same, your answer will come 1. It may be any number, you will get 1. So remember this. This is 1 into 0.6. You will have to multiply 6 times. So 0.5 on a calculator, you multiply 6 times raised to 6. So you will get around 0.01565, okay, into again 0.5 raised to 6 minus 6. So 0.0.5 raised to 6 is 0. So when the number is raised to 0, you get 0 value. So what is your answer now? 1 into this. So 0.01562. This is the answer of first one. Okay. So NCX I have solved. This is the method. You will have to calculate combination, then calculate value of Q, and then you have to simplify this. Okay. This is first one. Now second one is 3 heads and 3 tails. So I'll just rub here and continue. So second one is, they have asked what? 3 heads and 3 tails. So your second one, 3 heads and 3 tails. So either 3 heads and 3 tails will come. So now my x value will be 3. Okay. P value is nothing but as it is 0.5 or 1 divided by 2. Okay. And then Q value is again same. 1 minus P we do, it is nothing but 0.5. So with the help of this, and n in this problem is what now? N is again is equal to 6. N will always be same 6 times. Okay. So now again I substitute. So formula, probability of x is equal to NCX into P raised to x into Q raised to n minus x. So NCX now n is 6, C x is now 3. Okay, 3 heads or 3 tails. 3 heads and 3 tails. Sometimes they will give or, sometimes they will give and. So both also you have to take only one number common. Then into P is again 0.5 raised to x is 3. Into Q is again 0.5 raised to n minus x. So n value is 6 minus 3. So now 6C. I have solved that formula, that is combination n colon n minus x colon and again x colon. So you have to solve this formula again. So I will write the answer. NC3 we will get 20 into 0.5 you have to multiply 3 times. So this answer is 0.125 and again 0.5 raised to 6 minus 3 is 3. So same it will be 0.5 raised to 3. So again 0.0125. So multiply 20 into 0.125 into 0.125. So we will get the answer as 0.3125. Okay. Hope you are understanding it. Just once again I will repeat this. First was heads only, all the 6 times heads. So we have taken x value as 6 and we have substituted this. Second times we have told 3 heads and 3 tails will come. So that is the reason x value we have taken 3. So this is it. So from the video you note it down in your notebooks so that you will understand it properly and then try to solve it. So these are the 2 things we have solved now. So third one is 5 or more than 5. So here 2 numbers will come, 5 or more than 5. So we have to take the tossing of a coin, 5 or more than 5. So how many events are there? 6 events are there. So out of the 6 events, 5 or more than 5 means only one number we will take, that is 6. So third one, 5 or more than 5. So now what will be my x value? X is equal to probability of 5, that is 5 you have to take 5 plus probability of 6. Up to 6 we can take. Why? Because only 6 events are there. So more than 5 only one number is remaining, that is 6. So up to 6 we have to solve. So in this problem, third one, we have to solve 2 different probability formulas. So for 5 different, 6 different, and whatever answer we get we have to add it. So first one is NCX. So n value is 6, C 5 into 0.5 raised to 5 into 0.5 raised to 5 minus 6 minus 5 is 1. So 6C5, we have got the answer as 6 into 0.5, we have to multiply 5 times. So your answer is 0.03125 into, this is only 1 times, so 0.51. So now 6 into 0.03125 plus 0.5, your answer will come around 0.9375. Okay, this is only of 5. Now again we have to solve 6. Okay, so I'll solve it this side. So 6. So now we have to solve regarding 6. So now 6C6 into 0.5 raised to 6 into 0.5 raised to 6 minus 6. So this already we have solved in the first part, 6C6. Okay, so straight away I will write the answer. My answer is 0.015625. Okay, this we have already solved for the first one. It's only 6C6 we have got. Now next step is, therefore we have to just add probability of 5 plus probability of 6. So probability of 5 we have got answer as 0.9375 plus probability of 6 we have got the answer as 0.15625. So after adding we will get the answer as 0.10937. This is your answer for the third one. Okay, so just see it once again. I will tell 5 or more heads. So they are told 5 or again more heads. Here it was and 3 heads and 3 tails. So we took only one. But when or is coming, 5 or more heads, we have to consider 5 as well as remaining terms. So remaining up to n values. If my n value was 8, so 5, 6, 7, 8. Up to 8 I would have written. But here my n value is 6, so I will take only up to last number is 6. So first I have solved of 5, then I solved of 6, and after solving I have added both the answers. So after adding both the answers I have got this. So I hope you have understood this. So in this video I will only have taken one problem. First let you understand that, then I will go with the next problem.